What is up YouTube? So today I will be showing you how you can send bulk emails in Python from Gmail. So the first thing what you need to do is you need to have an Excel sheet containing all the emails to which you want to send the emails. So here I have 3 emails. You can have to like 1000 or 10,000 emails. I don't know, there is no limit for that. Okay, so first of all you need to log in into your Gmail account from which you need to send the emails, and after logging in, click on your profile picture and go to my account, and here click on apps with account access, and here you need to grant the permission to the less secure apps to use your account, because we will be logging in from the Python script to your Gmail account, so it will block it. So by default this permission is not granted, so you need to grant it and check it so that you can log in from your Python script. Once you have done that, what you need to do is you need to install the dependencies. So the only dependencies which the only module which we will be using is pandas. So you can install it by pip install pandas. Okay, so I have already installed it on my machine. After that, we will start by importing the modules we need. So import pandas and pd, and import smtp lib. Now what we need to do is we need to read the Excel file. So e equals to pd.read excel, and the name of our Excel file is email.xlsx. now the column which contains all the email is emails. So here we will write what we will write is emails equals to e and emails dot values. So it will return all the email addresses as a list, and emails will have it. Let's print it out. Run the script. So as you can see, we have all the emails here. Now what we need to do is we need to log in from our Gmail account. For that we need to create an object for smtplib. For that server equals to smtp.smtp, and the first parameter will be the smtp.gmail.com, and second parameter will be the port. So the port which we will be using is 587. After that, what you need to do is start the TTLS service, server.start start TLS service. Now you need to log in from your account. Now here you need to type the email address of the account from which you need to send the emails. So I'll type my account, and the second parameter will be the password of that account. So once you have done that, now let's create the body for our email. So the message will be let's say, hello, this is an email from Python, and the subject for that email will be hello world. Okay, so now let's construct the body, which will be body equals to the string subject colon space parenthesis backslash and parenthesis dot format, and the first parameter will be the subject, and the second parameter will be the message. Now the only thing what we need to do is for email, in emails, the list which we have read from the Excel file, what we need to do is server.send mail, and the first parameter is again the email address from which you want to send, which is the same email address which we use for login. So I'm gonna copy it from there paste it here. And the second parameter is the email address to which you want to send, and the third is the body of the email. And after that, what we need to do is server.quit, and that's it. So now let me run the code. I should have printed out here that it's sending an email to this email address, so it will be visually much better. Well, the code has finished executing, so let's see. As you can see here, I have received a new email, hello world, and the second email address to which I have sent this email. Let's see, I have also received here the email. So this is how you can create a bulk or mass email sender in Python in just 13 lines of Python. So if you have any comments or if you have any suggestions, drop a comment below. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, because that is what keeps me going. Thank you.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my